Hi, I am T-Shield. I shall guide you on what needs to be done when you see an AdBlue warning in your car and the precautions that you need to take. To ensure diesel cars meet the new BS6 norms, they are now equipped with Selective Catalytic Reduction Catalyst or SCR. The SCR system uses AdBlue liquid to reduce nitrogen oxides or NOx from the exhaust gas. As you drive your car, the AdBlue liquid is consumed and a low-level warning message may be displayed. Warning messages are displayed at 3 stages. In Stage 1, warning message indicates the approximate number of kilometers that can be driven before the AdBlue liquid gets empty. In Stage 2, warning message indicates if the AdBlue is empty, the vehicle cannot start. In Stage 3, if AdBlue gets empty while driving, the vehicle can be driven until the engine is turned off. T-Shield recommends driving your car to the nearest Toyota dealer to get AdBlue refilled as soon as the AdBlue warning is displayed. AdBlue gets consumed in the process of driving and it may vary depending on the engine load and traffic condition. It is estimated that AdBlue consumption is higher when driving on long uphill slopes, when driving with a firmly depressed accelerator pedal, or when the vehicle is used at high elevation and low temperatures. It is also advisable to get the AdBlue level checked at your nearest Toyota dealer just before you embark on a long journey. I am here to educate you and enable you to handle the day-to-day tasks of your vehicle to ensure that your vehicle is running smoothly. Have a happy and eco-friendly drive with BS6 cars.